Hi there. There's been some questions about how to push out a assignment to your students and then collect it and be able to review how your students did on this. So let's go through this process. We have a question here. What is the parent function of a linear equation? We have the area for the students to fill this in. So unlike a quick poll where we would just start a poll here, we're going to push this out. So we're going to send to class, and we're going to do the full class, and we'll click finish. And then we can see what it looks like on the student's end. And on the student side, we can see that they're being asked to open the file. Once they've opened the file, they can fill in the answer. And then they'll hit tab. Now there's a little delay between the computer receiving the information. Again, we have that 15-second auto refresh. So once the students are done, we can go back to our home page, and what we'll do is we'll go to class, and this one right here, collect from class. And the most recent one, we'll click next. And we want to delete from handheld after collecting. We want to collect it from the entire class. We'll click finish. And notice here we see warm-ups, 1 of 31. I have 31 students, only one has logged in. On the students' side, folder curriculum day, document, all files have been transferred. So on their end, they don't have to do anything, and that's what we want. All right. So now what we can do is, the next question is, how do we review this? Well, we need to put it into the portfolio. So we'll left click, and then we will send selected to the portfolio, give it a name, save, and we can come over to the portfolio, and here it is. And we can click on it. Now we have the students, and I can scroll down to Ozzy, who I was logged in as, and they answered question 1, and it graded it for them. So that should help you in pushing assignments out to your students, collecting, and having the system grade it for you. Good luck with your calculators.